Man tawag sa akin. What? You just see him a while ago.
No, where is he?
Huh?
Where you put him?
Him? Where's Daddy?
He's on the corner of the bed.
Oh.
Hi, Mummy. You enjoying your food? What's the food like?
Yummy?
Is it?
I just saw carrot and peas.
Yeah. There.
Hello. Hi, baby.
She's smiling to you.
Smiling? This is how you smile. Jack is sleeping. Baby Jack.
He's sleeping.
You don't listen to me. Why he say Jack like mine?
What?
Mommy, did you put his dress on?
Yeah, the nurse.
What?
Unsa
I'm
naman
gonna
mo?
call you. And I'm gonna call you. Bye bye.
Okay.
I'm gonna call you at the same time.
Okay.
Bye
Bye-bye.
Yeah,
Hello.
this is a marathon. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get back home.
Hello? Who's this? Big sis.
Hello, my boy. You better get the
I thought he was gonna be
Oh, no, is it bigger than me?
You can
Does it feel
see
better?
him.
Like, does it feel empty now?
Yeah. You wanna see him? He's still
Did you
the
get that,
ing.
Jenny? He's been running around.
Why you
She
waiting?
said we can stay for half hour. 10 minutes for 10 minutes, Mummy.
Huh?
She said we can stay for half hour.
Yeah.
Because we was late.
Mommy, baby. I wanna see the face.
Wanna see the face?
Yeah. Can you
He's
see
dark, isn't he?
Huh?
Dark.
He's red.
Oh,
and see the
there you go.
He's still the ing.
face?
He did it. Si JJ.
I wanna see.
You wanna see? I can put him down
No,
there.
I'll leave him a little bit.
Look, his eyes open.
Is he?
Listening.
Oh, there he is. Just on wheels.
Yeah.
Jackie boy.
There, his eyes is
He don't look
listening.
nothing like me, does he?
He do.
You think?
Only his face.
But then again, my girls didn't look like...
Yeah.
Jack. Video them
I can see a
daddy.
little Elgene.
Jackie boy.
Oh, you got your Didi on the camera.
It's okay, I can blur it. His hands is always like this.
Is it?
This one.
It's your little brother, guys. Hello, Jack. Oh my God, he looks like his mummy, doesn't he?
It's not.
You can't see your little face there.
No.
Your eyes
It's not.
and your lips.
No.
But I got... He's got...
Where's daddy videoing? Video JJ daddy. Get your kuan.
But I didn't close it.
What?
The bucket.
Really?
Very hot, JJ.
Why?
I'll leave some of them.
Are you happy? Eh? The baby's Didi.
Touch feet.
The feet is here. He's curling it.
Shall I put that there like that?
Yeah.
Daddy, carry me. I want to feel the hair.
Let me
Are you
see.
fat?
No, I want to feel the hair.
Oh no, you put the camera there. Now they're here.
Daddy, Auntie did me. Auntie did me.
Yes,
Didi
okay.
Nin?
Auntie did me.
Why?
All the roads closed. And the time, I was looking at the time and I'm not going to make it. And the traffic lights, bumper.
Yeah.
They closed for the marathon. Can't get
What
it.
marathon?
Newport Marathon. They closed all the roads, Mummy, near our house, all the way round.
Really?
I come out of our house to go towards Cymran.
Yeah.
Got to the end of the road closed. We had to stop and turn around. We got to the thing, road closed. And then we had to wait by the traffic lights, by the Costa then. A van with the flashing lights. We had to follow him over to the bridge.
Yeah.
And then they took us left and... Oh, anyway, we're here. It's little Jackie boy.
It's a big petitin.
What's the thing in his ears then? Is it that ear? Or the other
It's
ear?
the other way.
Oh.
There's a little tiny.
Is it tiny?
I think it's like yours. That.
Is it?
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just a little point, is it?
Yeah. You want to touch the what? Jessica's face. Want to touch the feet? Feet? Oh.
Oh, she's worried about your hand.
You want to touch Jack?
Hey, Jack.
Yeah.
Somebody whacking things.
Exactly, Jack.
I can't believe this. How big he is was inside your belly.
Yeah. Oh, he's smiling now.
Hey, dude.
Oh, careful.
Hey, dude.
Huh?
Oh, give Mummy a lipstick, Jenny. Do you want to bring your stuff over? Where was your phone then?
It's here.
What's your
The charger is in the suitcase, Daddy.
It's okay.
It's low bat now. I can't do anything with my phone. Yes.
Why the baby's hair looks like? Wait, what is
Thank
it?
you.
I have another one. He's still DDing.
Yeah.
Why he's closing his eyes?
Sorry?
He's closing his eyes.
Mummy.
I think it's stuck here, there somewhere, Daddy. I just put it. I think the other side, honey. The one with the net.
They're here. Mommy said it's right.
Yeah, open that net.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's there. See, down the bottom. Down the bottom, honey. No.
Down there?
No, it's not down
Down there?
the deep one. It's just in front.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Good to see your baby brother. Oh my god, these are beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful children.
Thank you.
I'm just going to pop that in your ear. And then I can take off these lasso robes and I'll take these off you then.
Okay.
A bit later on we'll sit you out of bed, okay my love?
Okay, thank you so much.
Nice there, isn't it?
Huh?
Nice.
Yeah.
Come here. I couldn't come in last time. It's COVID, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's awful in there.
Yeah, it was terrible, wasn't it?
Look at your hair.
Daddy didn't make it.
That is.
No, I was in a rush. They got Newport Marathon and all the roads we couldn't get you. The
Oh yes, the Newport Marathon. My daughter-in-law ran it this morning.
I couldn't get out of the street,
Oh,
and
no.
it was a bit late again. Yeah, so she said it's okay if we stay 10 minutes later than 4. Is that all right? Yeah.
What about this weekend?
Oh, it's the weekend. So no one's going to come in and say, "Come on, it's 4 o'clock."
No, don't worry about it.
Okay, just
Just have a chill out.
okay. Thanks. I can relax.
If they were all like this one, they'd be no trouble. She'd been amazing.
Oh, thank you. There you go, Mummy. Compliment.
What is it?
You've been no trouble.
Oh,
She's no
thank
trouble.
you
I said
so
you can come
much.
again. If they were all like you, we'd have no trouble. Have they haven't taken your Zenflon down, have they? Oh, I'll cap all that off you now. So we'll have some spare arms and get all this machinery off you. Sorry, Chet.
Yeah.
Did you breastfeed your others?
Yes.
Good girl. So how old are these little ones?
6 and 4.
Oh,
People think they're twins, but there's 2.5 years difference between them.
smart, isn't it, are they? Oh, beautiful.
Oh, sorry. Honey, get the camera, Daddy, please.
Oh.
It's okay, lovely.
Hi ulit. So, hi ulit. 10:55 na dito. Hindi ako makatulog. Tapos nag-request ako ng pain reliever kay nafe-feel ko na ang sakit ng aking cesarean section. So, i-transfer ko lang itong bata natin. Doon ko ilagay kay bakit malayo siya sa akin pag iiyak siya, hindi ko siya makuha diretsyo. So, transfer ko lang ito. Sinabihan ako ng mga midwife na dito daw sila para tumulong sa akin. Huwag ko daw gawin lahat. Nahihiya kasi ako eh. So, medyo mabigat pala ito. I hope hindi maano yung ating tahi nito, day. Kaya saon na lang. Dito ko siya ilagay. Okay. Tapos gusto ko i-arrange yung aking mga gamit kay sobrang kalat nito dito. Nahiya ako baka ano yung isipin niyo. Unsa man siya? Uy, bakit ang kalat na mga kuan niya organizer? Dami kasi ako hinahanap. Siguro hindi ako makatulog dahil grabe yung tulog ko kanina. Ito i-fold ko na ito. Ito yung ginamit ko, di ba? Hindi pa ako nanganak. Tapos may medyas ako dyan. Hindi muna ako mag-bend. Kaya parang nagigisi man. Oy, nafe-feel ko na yung sakit. Pag na ano, nag-expire yung painkiller. Nagsasakit na siya. Pero kailangan kasi mas gumalaw. Kaya pag lalo akong hindi gumalaw kay Jessica dati, 3 days nasa bed lang ako. Pag tindog ko, kaluoy ni Inday LG na kuyapan. Dala-dala pa din ako nito kaya aking mga cellphone man dyan ko manilagay. Ay, okay na yan, ay. Ganyan na lang yan, ay. Kuan ako, mag-relax. Ayun yung aking bata. Inano ko medyo pinawasan ko yung light kay sobra yung light nila. Ayan. Kanina pa yan. Hindi pa yan umiyak para magdidi ulit. Wala pa naman akong gatas. Shush. Ang suwang oh. Sabi ng aking kapatid ang ganda daw ng kuan niya. Ng chin. Ay alangan nga siya. May chin man niya yung tinitingnan ko nung buntis pa ako. Sa bata na yan. Yung Inday, nanganak ako mag-isa, oy. Last time kay Jenny, mag-isa din ako kay COVID man yun. Bawal pag magbisita. Ngayon, sana makatulog na ako. Hopefully, mag-music lang ako ng ari ko. Ano ba yun? Nakurat ng isa. Nasyak na siya. Grabe no, bilib ako sa mga nurse nila dito at service nila. Dahil nung pagtawag ni Wayne, agad-agad diretsyo. Mga ambulance. Daming ambulance sa bahay. Early in the morning. Ambulance, mga 5 o'clock. Ambulance, tapos yung parang police patrol. Oh, umilak naman. Ako eh. Hindi pa gani nakahiga si mami. Humihila ka na. Grabe yun. Yun yung sinabi ko sa kanila na ang swerte ng mga tao dito dahil ganyan na service. Insigida talaga sila darating sa bahay. At walang hesitation ba na matagalan pa. As in, pagtawag ni Wayne, mga 3 minutes or 5 minutes, dumating yung lalaki, nag-assist sa akin. Nag-arrange siya sa bahay, sa kama, para doon ako kung in case manganak ako ng normal. Tapos nung nagbiyahe na kami sa ambulance, sinabi ko talaga na people here are so lucky with the services. Kay pag emergency na, diretso-diretso, merong mag-rescue. Sabi ko, yung sister ko, nang nanganak ang aking sister, yung auntie ko pa naghanap ng kuan, ng fuel para sa sasakyan. Auntie ko ba yung tinirahan ko nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Sabi niya, really? Sabi ko, walang diretso-diretso na. Magtawag ka nito na number. Kukunin ka doon kay mga anak ka na. No? Ganyan ba sa inyong lugar? Kasi sa amin, sa Mindanao, hindi. Kaya yun yung sinabi ko. Kahit nanganak ako mag-isa, dito, swerte naman pa rin ako. Uy, kay bakit? Gaya ngayon, gabi na. Hindi ko feel na alone na ako ba sa hospital. Feel ko na may kasama ako. Kasi always man sila nag-check sa akin. Tapos, hindi ako sad na wala dito si Wayne. Wala. Noon nga pag-transfer na nila sa akin sa ambulance, sabi nila sa akin na kanang sino daw kasama ko mga anak, kasama ba daw ang asawa ko. Kasi yung iba dito may mga asawa. Yung madaming nanganak today, meron silang bitbit na mga asawa. Ako lang walang bitbit na asawa. Sabi ko, no, I'm okay alone. Kay last time ako lang man. Pero sa Thailand, ang swerte ko doon kay nandun yung aking auntie, si uncle, nag-drive ng sasakyan. Sinugod ako sa hospital nun. Tapos, pagkaanak ko, nandun mga auntie ko lahat. Cousin ko, si mama. As in, grabe yung support system. Napagtayo ko, ang daming mag-alalay sa akin. Okay ka lang ba, ganun sila. Dito, wala dyan mag-alalay sa'yo dito. Sabi nga ni auntie auntie Bitang, yung tinirahan ko pag uwi ng Pilipinas, sino kasama mo pag dyan, nanganak? Wala, uy, ako lang. Last time, ikaw lang din, yung kay Jennifer. Oo, na doon sa Thailand, sila auntie Didin. Nung si mama kay mga pa man, nagdating si mama Saturday ba yun? Morning, kay wala nang work. Pero nandun si auntie Didin, yung pag-anak ko kay Jessica. Yung nandito ko na auntie ba, nasa Cornwall, yung binisita namin last time. Siya yung nandun sa giliran ko nun, kay sila auntie at uncle, merong work. Wala. Nag-uwi muna sila ba, salitan sila. Sobrang thankful ko, kaya ang family ko doon, grabe yung support system. Tapos dito ngayon, sabi pa ni Wayne kanino, we don't have family, buang mo ni Wayne, wala daw silang family, wala daw family dito. Pero di ba ka mamatay lang din ng kanyang ng kanyang brother. Hindi pa namin alam kung ano yung balita, kung nalibing na ba o wala. Kaya basta sabi ni Wayne, naginip daw siya na nilibing na hindi lang daw siya hindi daw sila pinaalam, pero panaginip niya lang yun. Pero totoo naman, wala kasing alangan naman, iwanan namin yung dalawang anak doon kay Bayaw. Mas kasi yung trust ko kay Wayne. So, hindi ako mag-ariat-ariat na, wala yung asawa ko dito. Mas OA pa ako sa hindi magtulong ng hugasin. Kaysa wala ang asawa dito. Nangaway pa ako. Mag-isa, mga anak, hindi man ito first time nangyari sa akin. Yung bata, akala ko umiiyak siya. Hindi din big deal sa akin na wala dito kung asawa. Okay lang sa akin, mag-isa ako dito. Kahit na ako lang ngayon gabi, di naman nakakatakot yung ospital nila na sinasabi nila mag-anak doon sa Pilipinas ba, mag-hospital kay meron daw ko nung quick na mga nurse ba na kuan kakatakot. Dito hindi naman bago din to na hospital at iba din yung iba man din ata yung ward sa Pilipinas ng mga anak at saka mga alam nyo na yung mga may sakit. Dito bago pa to, mga 4 years pa lang to. Kay 4 years ako nanganak ka Indigene Advance kayo si Dudong, Diyan paabot og kuan. schedule niya sa cesarean. Dalal pa mo din. Aray. Aw. Aray. Agay, teka lang. Matulog ako kay habang tulog yan. Hindi nga ako naantok kaya magchika-chika. Agay. Hindi ko makabuot. Buti na lang ito kay mayroong ligid. Ang aking kwan, oh. Only boy natutulog. Ang aming the only boy. Di na, bi. Nagtugod. Namata man among baby. Agoy. Gikamras ng dagway. Nagdugo na. Magkuha tag gloves lang, be. Humanamig titi. Nahilak na siya. Umiyak na naman ang bota. Teka. 11 o'clock na dito. Malapit na mag 12 o'clock. It's okay. Ang nakurat mo lang dagway, ano? Sorry. Umiyak kay nilagyan ko ng gloves. Hinahinay ko raman nilagay. Umiyak man siya, oy. Hindi ka magkuha si Mami hat, ha? Mag-hat na mo, baby. Ang mo bata. Dali. Mag-sleep na ka, ha? Sleep na mong bata. Here you go. Sleep na mong bata. Gamay man siya sa personal. Kunan ko siya ng kalo. Okay. Kawawa naman ito, eh. Nandiyan ang mama bata ni Inday. Iwan ko ba nag-open mo mata nito? Open lagi kanyang mata. Ang dami ng kanyang kuan sa mukha kay kinamras. Mga ako ng kanyang kalo. Kalo niya. Hindi na ito makuan-kuan ang kalo, eh. Maka sobrang laki naman ito. Ito na lang. Ayan. Ay. Ang kaluan natin. Siya man mga kalo nito niya, eh. Parang ang lalaki man ang mga kalo. Mag-iyak na naman to ngayon. Pag matouch gani yan siya mag-iyak. Teka. Kaluan ang bata. Kaluan ang bata na to, be. Anuhon ay. Ano? Para dili mo panahot ang kano ng bata mga. Hilat na po daw. Iiyak lagi siya, oy. It's okay. Dada. Sleep na ka lang. Pagbulo natin yung kanyang habol. Dito na si baby. Para mainit. Parang para daw niyan silang nasa ano din. Nasa tiyan pa. Mainitan sila ba? Tulog na siya. Ang bait naman. Ang bait naman ng aming bata. I hope hindi mag-change. Ato. Ayan siya iiyak. Uy! Hala. Naglalaro. Nalaro man siya, uy. Ay, hilak. Ayaw siguro ang kalo. There, my baby. Duyan-duyan na lang na ni Mami. Duyan-duyan. Pula pa siya kay ilang oras pa ba siya na ano no, na anak. Hindi siya makatulog kay hindi pala nag-burp. Ayan no, nagkadul-kadul sa akin. Nag-burp na ka? Nag-burp na ka? Gamay ka ayo. Hello. 3 o'clock na dito, no? Mga 2 o'clock na. Wala akong tulog dahil ayaw niya magpalapag. Pag nilagay ko siya sa kanyang kama, mag-iagak talaga siya, guys. Tapos kahit irap ko siya ng kanyang blanket at yung towel na dito sa hospital, iiyak siya siguro bago siya ba kasi nasa outside world na siya. Gusto niya dito sa aking dibdib. Pero pag morning, okay na okay man siya. Pag morning, hindi siya umiiyak. Pag gabi lang, ganito. Na, simula na para na tayong sumbi nito na. Ay, sorry. Dili. Wala na akong sumbi nito, pero okay lang. Mag-ano lang ako, bawi. Pag nakatulog na to siya ba, tulog din ako. Na, yung malapag ko na siya doon. Medyo masakit na yung aking tahi. Masakit na ibaba, lakad. Struggle, no? Basta mother na tayo, no? Lang, no? Ang liit na mukha niya sa personal. At tapos yung ilong niya, sobrang maliit sa personal. Same sila ng lips, tatlo, si Jessica, si Jenny, at si Baby. Same kayo ng lips, no? Yung parang heart shape ba? Dito. Oh, it's okay. Kira ko. Hindi na mag-cry. Pasa kasi akong gatas. Wala pa. Kanina pa to siya dito. Tapos, tulog na siya. Nilagay ko ulit. Nag-iagak na naman. So, wala akong tulog. Sumbi ang mami. Aswang si mami. Tonight. Aswang. Mabigla siya. Iiyak. Kanya yung gusto niya posisyon. It's okay. It's okay. Okay raman. Ay, naraman si mami. Wala na siya dimple. Nara si mami. Wala na siya dimple. Yung kagaya kay Wayne. Yung dimple? Okay, dimple? Kuha niyo mo dimple si mong daddy. Very sensitive siya. Kawawa siya tingnan. Ang bata ni mama naghilak-hilak. Huh? Hilak-hilak ang bata. Ayan. Asyush. Diyos, palagi lang akong nakakrim, no? Di na ta mag-ilis 1 year. Ang dagway. Di na ta mag-ilis 1 year. Huh? Dudong. Dong. Dudong gamay. Mata, oh. Hilaw naman lagi. Hilaw naman lagi ka. Hilaw naman lagi ang bata. Kana, ang gutom-gutom mo na ba? Kay nag-crave ka na talaga. Kay gutom na yun. Tapos ganito lang yung breakfast, guys. Uwi na lang siguro ako nito, oy. Tea or coffee. Oh, di ba? Winner, tsaka toast.